What's up, everyone? It's the Wizzerdrix, the daily random pack opening channel. Another day, another pack. Let's spin the wheel and see what's going to be cracking today. Theros Beyond Death Collector's Pack. This is going to be an interesting one. Theros Beyond Death, released January 24th, 2020. It is the second time we've been back to Theros. Notable cards of the set are the infamous Uro, Titan of Nature's Wrath. We have Troxa, Titans of Death, Hunger, Nyxbloom Ancient, Dryad of the Elysian Grove, and Thassa's Oracle. Other cards like the Gods. This is a collector's pack, which will have a lot of foils in it. Some of the nice full art foil Theros lands, and a potential to hit some really nice stuff. Probably the best pack we've opened so far. Hopefully we can hit something really spicy for the channel. We got Revoke Existence, Altar of the Pantheon, Sunmane Pegasus, Flicker of Fate, Underworld Ragehound, Captivating Unicorn, Alseid of Life's Bounty, Hero of the Winds. We got the Mountain. Yeah, these are super beautiful. They're really cheap right now. And a lot of people that know me personally, that I've been trading for these heavily. I have a nice collection of them. And there's another one behind this. Got the Forest, which obviously the island's the best one, no doubt. But yeah, those look great. One of our rares is Ashiok's Forerunner. 3 colorless, 1 blue, 1 black, 3/3 human wizard with flash. When it enters the battlefield, you may search your library for and/or graveyard for a card named Ashiok, Sculptor of Fears. Reveal it and put it in your hand. If you search your library this way, shuffle it. It's kind of a letdown because this is the card that comes in the starter deck. And when you get the starter deck, I think you get 2 of these. Let's see if we can get anything else. And our extended art card is Thassa's Intervention. X and 2 blue, instant. Choose one. Look at the top X cards of your library. Put 2 of them in your hand, and the rest in the bottom of your library in any order. Or counter target spell unless the controller pays twice X. It's okay. There's definitely better draw spells, but for what it is, it's pretty good. Youch. That's kind of disappointing, but our big card of the pack is a extended art foil Temple of Malice. Enters the battlefield tapped. When it enters the battlefield, scry 1. Add red or black. Hey, it looks great, but out of other cards we could pull in this set, it could have been a lot better, but it's a really pretty card. And we got Elspeth Conquers Death. It's a 3 colorless, 2 white enchantment saga. The first part is exile target permanent an opponent controls with a converted mana cost 3 or greater. The second part is non-creature spells your opponent's cast next turn cost 2 more until your next turn. My bad. And the third part is return target creature or planeswalker from your graveyard to the battlefield. Put a 1/1 counter on it or a loyalty counter on it. I like sagas. They're pretty cool. Oh, what's this? Oh. Hey, there we go. Oh, that looks great. Oh man, just take a second to appreciate that. Pulled Clothis, God of Destiny. It's a one colorless, one red, one green, legendary enchantment creature. God. It's a 4/5 indestructible. As long as your devotion to red or green is less than 7, it's not a creature. And devotion is the total number of permanents in play of the mana symbols. So the your total devotion has to be 7 with red and green. So this one already counts 2 towards it. But anyways, at the beginning of your pre-combat main phase, exile target card from a graveyard. If it was land, add red or green. Otherwise, you gain 2 life, and Clothis deals 2 damage to each opponent. Like, this is a fantastic card. Like, I think it's underrated. Like, it's so good. And I believe these are double-sided, so we got the Human Soldier and the Reflection. Nice. Let's get that nice reflection on that reflection going. Very reflective. Anyways, man, who would draft collector's packs? That'd be a wild draft. Actually, I probably would. Like, that'd just be a lot of fun. And pretty pricey too. I already know what mine is. My pack one, pick one is Clothis. I've done it in a draft multiple times, and every time we get it to stick, it's a powerhouse. It just so much value, so much damage. You lock out the game stalls out most of the times in limited, and you just go in there 2 damage, 2 damage, 2 damage. Oh, it's so good. But yeah, that's a really great pack. Can't wait to open more crazy packs. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. A little support goes really far. And if you have any suggestions on how I can improve my videos or what kind of content I could do, and I'm always interested in hearing feedback. Anyways, thanks for watching.